The Cedar Ridge Timber Home is one of 3 model homes on display at our Sales and Design Center in beautiful Hancock, New York. The Cedar Ridge is one of Beaver Mountain's panelized timber frame homes, which we introduced as an alternative to solid log construction. Beaver Mountain has been building timber frame homes for over 25 years. With an overall footprint of roughly 28 feet by 42 feet and 1,747 square feet, this home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a loft with plenty of living space. Timber frame homes appeal to homeowners who are looking for a refined natural element or timber frame style with a mix of drywall to create design flexibility. The wall systems are comprised of pre-cut, panelized 2x6 framed walls, manufactured in sections, with the studs and window headers all pre-built and in place. The appeal of this is that the panelization reduces waste, expedites construction, and allows the homeowner to select any contractor they choose. In other words, there's no need for a specialty builder with extensive post and beam or timber frame experience. The exterior of the Cedar Ridge features a large 600 square foot, 2-tier wraparound deck that's ideal for entertaining and family gatherings. The main entrance welcomes you with its timber porch and rugged, custom 2-inch western red cedar siding with a rough sawn finish exclusive to Beaver Mountain. The siding is complemented by fieldstone at select locations, enhancing the overall look of the home. This is an attractive combination and one that's quite common in many of our homes these days. As you enter the home, you walk into an open floor plan with large cathedral ceilings and a wall of windows that provide plenty of natural light and incredible views. If you desire a fireplace, the glass package can be reworked to accommodate a large stone fireplace and raised hearth to create a focal point in the center of the room. Access to the second floor is provided by way of a spiral staircase, which saves space and provides a contemporary look. If traditional is more your style, you can easily replace the spiral staircase with a set of timber stairs and custom milled rails along the wall. With many homeowners designing with the idea of aging in place, this is a very common modification. The open cathedral ceilings showcase a collection of large timber purlins, along with timber trusses tied together with steel plates and rods. These provide a mix of refined and rustic looks, an appealing aesthetic that allows many design and decor options for years to come. As you start to think about your new home, start thinking early on about what your vision and preferences are for the beamwork above. There are a variety of roof options, timber profiles, and configurations available, and these options can be explored with our award-winning design team. The kitchen and dining room offer plenty of space. The kitchens are fully customizable. The model home features birch cabinets and solid surface countertops with an island. The kitchen is 12 by 12 but feels expansive with the custom choices and ample storage. If open space is your preference, you have the option to eliminate the half wall of cabinets, relocate the gas fireplace, and angle the island for a more open feel. Down the hall immediately to your left, the Cedar Ridge offers a secondary, less formal entry with a mudroom and pantry, perfect for those muddy boots and coats. The mudroom can accommodate a full-size stackable washer and dryer and includes room for a small countertop to allow for folding and laundry prep space. Across the hall is a full bath with custom floor tile and vanity along the shower. A pocket door can easily be added to provide dual access to the bath or a private master suite. The back bedroom to the left is approximately 10 by 10 and could serve as a secondary bedroom with a twin bed, or could be used as we have it here, as a TV room and sitting area. The larger bedroom to the right is 12 by 12. A pocket door can be added to convert this to an additional master suite. Upstairs is approximately 600 square feet, which includes an open loft and master bedroom suite. The loft overlooks the great room and, of course, provides stunning views to the outside. Many Cedar Ridge owners choose the loft as an area for a quiet retreat, while some use it for additional sleeping space for guests. By adding a small dormer, you could easily increase the usable living space to roughly 13 by 10 and add a beautiful design detail to your timber home. The master suite features gorgeous, heavy timber trusses on the walls. And at 12 by 15 feet, the tall vaulted ceilings add volume and make the room feel larger than it is. Skylights add natural light and ventilation, and the built-in drawers are a clever way to utilize the space under the eaves without extra furniture. The master bath can be customized to your lifestyle and needs, including bath, shower, tile, and vaulted ceiling. The Cedar Ridge Timber Home is a unique home that offers homeowners many custom choices to create a home that reflects your personal tastes, while providing all of the comfort and style a custom home should have. On behalf of everyone here at Beaver Mountain, we appreciate you taking this walkthrough, and we look forward to planning your dream home and meeting you in our Sales and Design Center. Schedule your design appointment with us and start planning your dream home today.